नमस्कार लर्नर्स, NIOS की PM ई-विद्या चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं आंचल गोस्वामी NIOS में वोकेशनल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में AO ICT के पद पे कार्यरत हूँ। आज हम वोकेशनल एजुकेशन के एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक को डिस्कस करेंगे जो बेसिक कंप्यूटिंग वोकेशनल कोर्स के अंदर आता है, which is digital presentation. Earlier also we have discussed about how to work in MS PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Whenever we have to make some presentation, we have to present some content in front of some audience, then we used PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint software to create different slides, different presentations so that we can present that content in front of some audience. We can make it attractive, we can make it we can add pictorial representations, and it is easier to make the audience attractive and attentive towards our content using good presentation. And the PowerPoint presentation tool also provides different features of adding graphics to adding animations and different transitions so that we can create better and better presentations. Today we will discuss that how we can change, how we can customize the layout of our presentation, how we can set a designed background in our presentation, and we don't have to do that again and again. So we will start with Slide Master in PowerPoint. The topic for today is Slide Master in PowerPoint. Slide Master is a tool which is available in MS PowerPoint, where we can create a definite background, definite style for an entire presentation. So Slide Master is a PowerPoint feature. You can find it in the View tab, and it allows you to create master templates or master slides, and it is the way to automatically add elements that you want to be repeated throughout your slides, like a font or a theme. So suppose you have to add a theme in your slide. You have an option in Design tab where you can add some already available default styles from there, but if you want to customize it, if you want to create your own, then we use the option of Slide Master. So what is its advantage? When you have a large number of slides and you don't want to repeat formatting again and again in so many slides, then this feature provides you the facility where you can do this setting only once at one place, and that will be applied to your entire presentation. So it is the feature in PowerPoint which is extremely useful for making your presentation design process more efficient. More efficient in what manner? Suppose you want to add a background in your slide. So if you add a background picture in your slide and you have suppose 100 slides, say 50 slides in your presentation, and you are adding a background image of say some for 200 KB. If you add that background image in every slide for 50 slides, then your presentation size has already increased from 200 into 50 KB, that much size. But if you use Presentation Master, Slide Master, then you can add that image only once, and that will be automatically repeated on your every slide without increasing the size of your presentation of a PowerPoint file. So in this way it makes it more efficient. Also it reduces your time to design your slides, because you can do all the formatting, all the setting only once in PowerPoint slide, and that will be applied to every slide. We just don't have the option to create. We will see in the demo that you don't have to just create formatting for single layout. You can create format, you can create background design, every design for all different layouts we have on PowerPoint. So when every layout is already customized and set by you, you can just go and choose that new slide with that layout, and all the design will be already applied as you have designed. So there is no reason to change a slide by slide anymore. You don't have to repeat formatting in every slide again and again. That is already been applied to entire slide. So how do we create master slides in PowerPoint? We create it, these are very simple steps. So we will go to slide master. Where do we find it? We find it in view tab. So we have to go to the very first slide on the slides overview pane on the left, and this is a master slide. So this is where we have to customize a background, font style and color. This is the main slide, master slide in our PowerPoint, where we can create different formatting, we can customize it. So by clicking the master layout option, you will also be able to customize which layout elements you want your presentation slides. Here you have different options. When we click the master layout option, then we can choose which styles, title, font or border, anything we want to add. So we will see a small demo. Suppose this is a new slide you have created. If you want to create design, you have option to, if you want to create a design, then you can use different already available default templates to apply to your design, and you can also customize them. Suppose this is the template you have chosen and it will be applied to entire slide. In variants tab, we have the option to customize this also. We can change the color and we can apply settings to the font. Suppose colors, we choose different color, that would be applied, or then we choose fonts, we can apply this font setting to this slide. Whatever changes I am doing in this tab is being applied to the current slide only. So if we choose this font style for different tab, different heading and text, it will be applied to this. We can also choose the effects and we can also change the background styles, that will be applied. So if the need emerges that whatever formatting we are creating here, it is being applied to entire slide. So what we will do, we will go to the view tab. In master views pane, we have this option of slide master. Now in slide master, we have one master slide and then we have different layouts. So here we can apply different styles we want to apply to our slide. This is the master slide and these are different layouts in this overviews pane. So if we click on master layout, here we have placeholders that which are all the options we want to customize. We want to customize title, or we want to customize text, date, slide number, footer. So we have disabled everything, so we don't have any. Now if I want to add, we will click on master layout. Suppose I want to add footer to my slide, I will add footer. Slide number, it will number each and every slide. Date will add current date and time to the slide. Text, title and text are important, that we have to customize them according to our requirements. So now we have footer. We can add anything. Suppose we want to add the name of our organization, of your college or of the topic in every slide, we can add it here and it will be applied to all the slide. Whatever changes, whatever we are applying in master slide, that will be applied to all the slides. Suppose we add a shape. Suppose we add a shape. We have added this shape in this slide and it is being added to all the slides. In this slide it is not visible because we have checked the option hide background graphics. If we uncheck it, then all whatever background graphics we have set in master slide, that will be applied to other slides also. So this is now another option which we have, we can change the theme of in the slide also. That's theme will be applied to all the slides. And we can also change the color. We can change the font style. So these options, when we were using this in view tab, then that was being applied to the current slide only. Now it is applied to the entire all the slides of the presentation. And so this way you can change the background style, you can choose the background and apply background to our slides. So what is the requirement is, even if your slide master, your slide design is having simple layout, it is different from the commonly used templates we already have. So it makes a variant, it makes it simple and attractive for the viewers, and be it very simple, but it is unique, it is different, so that can be an attractive feature, different feature. So different is better than better, so it is a option. So this was about choosing different different options we can choose to set layout. And after this, after working on slide layout, slide master, we can work on layout slides. The layout slides are the slides that appear below your master slide, and it offers 11 different default layout settings for you to start to work with. In beginning, we have 11 different default layout settings. So we will see one by one that how we can do formatting in those slides. And we can also edit and alter these layouts as much as we want. And if you don't find a layout that fits your need, you can also create a master layout from scratch. And you can select any of the 4 your layouts and click the option insert layout in the edit master group. You can also insert layout, and as you can insert different slide, you can have different slide, insert different slides. You can also insert a layout you can create on your own. You can add suppose in your presentation, it is advised, always advised, that your presentation should not be it should not be the same for all the slides. One slide is having graphics, one slide is having pictures, one slide is having just text, one slide is having some data analytics. So it attracts the viewer and it is not boring. So if you have these kind of different slides, you should have layouts for all of them in your slide master view only. So it will create a new type of slide, and you can edit and customize as you fit, so you see fit, and you use the option insert placeholder to add different kinds of elements to your new layout. For example, if you want to edit, so these are the different layouts we have. This is the layout for masters for title presentation. This is a layout where we have one topic and some text. This is the layout we have with one title and 2 text boxes. If we have a slide where we have one big picture and we have to add some title, so we can change that layout here also. So what we can add, if I want to, suppose we wanted, most of my slides are having data analytics, so we want a slide where I have some graphics, I want 2 graphics, 2 data graphs or pie chart or any bar chart type of thing, 1 image and 1 text box. So what we will do, we will insert a layout. Now we will insert, suppose I want one chart. suppose pie chart. Suppose my slide will have one pie chart, one table. We will insert, select the table, size, and one image. I want one image and one title is here only. Suppose we will go to insert, we will add pictures, and suppose we add one image. So this is my requirement, and now we can close master view. We have created this layout and we will close master view. Now when I go to new slide insert, I have this custom layout in the option. Apart from the basic 9 templates which we have, layouts we have for slides, we have one custom layout in this way. So if I have, suppose I have 20 slides which have some same kind of content, same kind of graphics, so I don't need to create a table again and again. I don't have to copy that slide and add it. I have a layout ready. So these things are important when we have a large number of slides, so we can easily create different slides. So you can also use the option of insert placeholder to add different kinds of elements to your new layout. Either you can use placeholder or you can directly go to the different options as available for different for main PowerPoint presentation. You can add from there also. We will see the option of insert placeholder also. So after the session, if you want to ask any query, you can mail at aoict@nios.ac.in, or you can also use our toll-free number 1800-180-2543. So you can also choose to work on Slide Master in your own computer or own mobile app, any which you have, and you can try to use Slide Master. And so if we want to add different options using placeholder, so in this option, suppose we have this slide layout and we have insert placeholder option in master layout pane. If we click on it, we have all the options here only. We don't have to go to the different menu bars. You can add content, you can add text. Suppose you want to add a chart. So if you want to add a so you can go to Slide Master and you can work. You can create different slide layouts according to your requirement. So this is the master slide view. Master slide, where we whatever change you do, suppose if you have added this in master slide, it is applied to all the slides and you cannot remove it from here. You're not able to select this picture and delete it because it has been already added in slide master. If you want to remove whatever changes you have done in master slide and you don't want them to repeat in your all the slides, you can have the option to hide background graphics. This is the easiest thing you can do. And this is the slide size where you can change a slide size which is 4:3 or 6:9, which is as up to your requirements. Here are the options to choose the check or uncheck for title and footers. If you want to remove footers from for a specific slide, you can remove from here only. So if you want to insert slide master, so what is this option? This option gives you another great facility in PowerPoint. Suppose you want to create different master slides. Suppose a PPT contains 2 sessions, 3 sessions, and you want to different kind of themes for different slides and different settings. You can create another same layout, another master layout, in which you have another master slide and corresponding 11 slide layouts, which you can customize accordingly. And your PowerPoint, your own laptop can contain number of slide master layouts and slide layouts, and you can choose whichever you want to insert in your slide whenever you work. So this is an option where you can choose to design multiple layouts and work with whichever you want. So themes is the option where you can choose different themes which are already available, and that will be applied. So this theme is applied to only this section of the layout, not for the earlier section. To do a recap of what we have studied in earlier lessons, so we studied about that in insert tab we have different options of creating table, of adding pictures, online pictures. We can add photos from our system to our presentation. We can add shapes, we can create diagrams, we can create smart art of our own using these options, different shapes. And smart art is used when we want to use some processes which we want to signify using diagrams. We can have different type of list like flowcharts, process like flowcharts, cycle like flowcharts, and hierarchy showing relationships, matrix. So pyramid also we have inbuilt. These are all inbuilt graphics which have been created using shapes and design features of PowerPoint only. We can use these options and create our own add them in our slides. We can use chart option where we can use different type of charts to represent our data. We can import these charts from our Excel file, and we can directly add that in here, and whatever changes we do there will be corresponding changes will be done in the graph, corresponding graph in PPT only. So this is kind of interaction happens from table to graphics. So learners, this was all about using slide master view, and hope it will help you to create different slide layouts and customize your slide layouts using your own creativity, and you can create different slide master views and slide layout views and use them as you want. And you can, if you belong to some organization, you belong to some institute, you can add your logo in the layout, and that will be reflected on the slides. And you can use some customized layouts where you can work for for special topics, for specific topics, you can add images, you can add backgrounds accordingly. So this will help you to make your slide more attractive, more relevant to the corresponding content, and attractive for the viewers also. So we hope you enjoyed this session and you will start working upon this, and whatever doubts you have, you can contact us through the number given and the email ID given. Thank you.
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने,
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने, हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम